Everyone, welcome to my channel Aslam Coding. So this is a website that is Aslam 31 SDE sheet I created for practicing problems, and I have included top 31 problems from various topics of DSA. It helps a lot in your revision. So you can see it has a site analytics feature, and I have added the problem of the day features, which had two problems, one problem for the morning and another from the evening. And in that the company's tax is also mentioned, video solution is also available, and you can practice on the LeetCode. So this is the feature, as you can see here, here video solution you can watch. This I have already included, and along with that you can practice this on the LeetCode also, and the evening problems will be coming by the evening. So this is very cool and amazing feature, and that's what. And even you can track your progress, that is total 31 problems are there, so it will show your percentage of problems you have solved. And then now the cool thing, that is the topic wise 31 curated problems. So you can see like it is on array and hashing and many more problems like tree, DFS, then heap, priority queue, binary search, dynamic programming, miscellaneous problems. So overall 31. And after that some more practice questions along with their video solutions I have added. You can see the watch feature is there, and also the practice feature where you can go on the LeetCode and practice. And these are the video solutions, and many more cool features are to come, and more problems I will add in the coming days. So please do give your feedback, it will help a lot, and you can just message me and connect with me. I will surely take the feedback from you and will try to improve myself in these website. So this is the how it is. So overall this is the website, you can practice it. It is, and even it will store your data locally in your local storage.